Hello my lovelies, welcome to Nappy and Heels. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I am Pranshi. So guys, some real talk today. This quarantine has totally changed our beauty schedules and made it really difficult for us to keep ourselves trimmed and all sexy and sassy. So today I'm gonna share with you कि मैं पहले कुछ ऐसी दिखा करती थी and after I got my eyebrows trimmed और अब मैं कुछ ऐसी दिखती हूँ. You got the difference, right? How my eyebrows used to look before and now it is all in shape. So today I'm gonna share with you how I got my eyebrows trimmed at home. It's so easy, you guys. You can totally do it at home all by yourself. You don't need any help. So let's get started.
So the first step is you take a spoolie and you comb it through your brows. Now the second step is very important. You take your eyebrow pencil and start drawing a line in a shape that you want to trim your eyebrows into. This will act as a stencil. The line should be dark and precise because this is the thing that will decide where you shave and you know your limitations. It's very important to know your limitations, what up till when you have to trim your eyebrows so that you don't cut off the wrong hair. It will ruin the entire shape or it will make your eyebrows look flawless. It totally depends on the step number 2. Now the third step is you take your spoolie and you lift up your front eyebrow hair and cut the extra length off. You can see the line I drew and I'm gonna cut it up till that mark. Now we are gonna shave the upper side of our brow. So we are gonna brush our brows downwards so that the upper area is clearer and we have a clear canvas to work on. Draw a line again if the line is not clearer to you. I'm using this feather peony razor. I will totally recommend it to you guys. It's really nice. It's so smooth on the skin and whilst it does its job perfectly. Go very slow in the beginning since we are all the beginners here. We are not a pro and you don't want to make any mistake because we don't want to look, weird with our eyebrows got all ruined. Eyebrow is very important feature that, totally lifts our face up and make our other facial features just brighten up, So you must go very slow. Whenever you are unsure whether or not you should shave, just stop for a moment and look at the shape you are getting. After you have done shaving up the upper portion of your brows, start shaving between the brow portion right above your nose. You can use any makeup brush. I'm using this flat kabuki brush to brush away the shaved hair off of my face. Now we are going to take the spoolie again and brush in upward direction since we are going to shave the lower side of our brow. I'm gonna draw the line again since it became invisible to me. Always use your other hand to stretch the skin so that there's no chance that you will cut yourself. And tip number 2 is always shave in the direction opposite of your hair growth. It's easier that way. Once you have cut a hair out of the line, there's no going back, So be very careful. We are starting to see a difference, you guys. Now we are going to repeat all the steps for our next eyebrow. I like to have a little arch to my eyebrow, but if you like a rounder eyebrows, you can. It totally depends on the stencil you had drawn in the step number 2. Just use your eyebrow pencil in a way to give it a perfect shape that you want for yourself. Clean your eyelids. And now the forehead to have a smooth, flawless skin. here's the difference, you guys. Oh my god, I can't believe I had to stay with such shabby looking eyebrows for so many months now. I think it's been 5 months approximately since I had my eyebrows done.